Skoda ENYAQ COUPÉ RS is the first all-electric Skoda RS model. With power output of 220 kilowatts with 460 Nm and all-wheel drive, it can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 6.5 seconds, and top speed is 180 km per hour. Skoda's first all-electric RS model can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 6.5 seconds and reach a top speed of 180 km per hour. Due to its composition and long wheelbase, the MEB platform opens up new possibilities regarding body proportions and design. As the voltage battery is fully incorporated in the underbody and electric vehicles don't have a transmission tunnel, the space available for rear seat passengers is also particularly generous. The ENYAQ COUPÉ IV's boot measures a spacious 570 liters. The interior is defined by the design selections which are inspired by modern living environments and use natural, sustainably processed and recycled materials, same as in the ENYAQ IV. The clear structure of the options available with packs arranged by 10 themes and select individual choices mean the car can be configured in just 6 steps. Key vehicle functions can be operated intuitively using the 13-inch central infotainment screen. The 5.3-inch digital cockpit, which can be supplemented by a head-up display with augmented reality, allows the driver to keep an eye on the most important driving data and information on the vehicle status at all times. With 295 horsepower and 460 Nm on tap, it perfectly matches its sibling from Wolfsburg. The first RS model from Skoda to issue the combustion engine is also the company's most powerful production car ever, eclipsing the all-wheel drive superb Sportline 2-liter TSI engine in both horsepower and torque measurements. The flagship model gets Skoda's illuminated front grille aka crystal face as standard, complete with 131 light-emitting diodes. Speaking of lighting, the electric SUV has matrix LED headlights and LED taillights to add a sense of sophistication aside from better illumination. Compared to a normal ENYAQ, the coupe sits 15 mm lower at the front and 10 mm at the rear courtesy of a standard sports suspension. Wheel size varies from 18 to 21 inches available in different finishes. Depending on battery size and if you opt for rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, the ENYAQ Coupe's range tops out at 339 miles, or 545 kilometers, in the WLTP cycle by combining the bigger battery with the 201 horsepower rear motor. At an additional cost, an optional heat pump can be specified for heating and AC to use less battery juice. Standard across the range along with the panoramic glass roof is the 13-inch touchscreen for the infotainment, joined by the 5.3-inch fully digital driver's display. Customers can add more features, including a head-up display with augmented reality tech, a 13-speaker Canton sound system, and a wireless charging pad.